you know the tallest cake ever made was 33 feet tall? Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Adding some yummy icing. Entering into the world of sweetness with our adorable cake. Adding a cute little bow. Our adorable cake will make every moment more sweet. Can't wait to color this yummy cake. Adding some cute little hearts. Every cake should have sparkly candles. It's almost ready. Yes, you got this. We would love fresh cherries on our yummy cake. Look at these adorable cherries on top of our tasty cake. Now it's time to paint. Baby pink. Our cake looks so cute and super adorable. Bright red. Dark blue. Yellow. Adding some yummy sprinkles. Bright red. Glitter time. Bye-bye. If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.